explanation for everything.
Tiki, Belinda, you guys awake? Who's there? Tiki, Belinda, wake up! No more autographs, please. Tiki, Belinda?
Huh? What's going on, Ella?
There's something in the room. And look, it spilled the bowl of popcorn.
Ella, I know it's strange sleeping in a new place, but...
No, look!
What is that?
A monster!
Ah! Oh, no!
Go away, monster!
What do we do now?
Daddy! Mr. Blue!
Mr. Mayor!
Then what's all the commotion? You sound like a herd of elephants.
There's a monster in my room!
Okay. Why don't we go and see if we can scare him away? Well, nothing under the bed, or under the covers, or in the closet.
Are you sure you're looking for the right monster? He looks kind of like this.
No, it was more like this. Yeah, but then it got bigger.
Girls, I think that playing monster has got you imagining monster.
What about the bowl?
I suppose one of us could have accidentally kicked it.
There are no monsters here, I promise. Okay, now you three get some sleep. Good night. Again. What is it now?
It's not there anymore.
Oh, remember, girls, it's probably just your imagination.
Maybe your dad's right. Maybe we did imagine the whole thing. Or maybe the monster is covered in fur, and that's why my dad is sneezing so much.